Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my fish house today. Get yourself a cup of coffee. Come on in. Sit down. There's a seat over there. Just about where that camera is. I built something. I want to share it with you guys. If you've been following my ice fishing videos, I landed a pretty nice pike about 2 weeks ago. There you go. I've had some in between now, little ones, nothing major. They've been, we got, last weekend we caught 3 pike that was probably anywhere from 20 to 24 inches long. We didn't keep them because I'm after the really big ones and might as well let them grow, I guess. But anyways, after catching that big pike, and I had to catch him and get him on the ice. I got a fish story for you too. But anyways, I caught that big pike, got him up on the ice. And I realized that if you're going to go landing these big fish, especially with no leaders, steel leaders and stuff like that, I'm using my regular lake trout leaders and all of that. I got thinking afterwards that, I'm probably going to need to make a tool to help get that fish up on the ice so I don't strain my leaders and all that and cut them. I just went out and rebaited all of my hooks. Other than the dead bait, I had 3 traps out there that's running shiners. So I just went out and freshened my bait, put on some brand new stuff. I had 1 flag, he stole my bait. So that was probably a bass or a yellow perch, we don't know. But anyways, my bait was gone, my flag was tipped, and I didn't get a fish for it. So anyways, you all know that I'm a country boy, and you all know that I like to build things from nothing. If I can build it and not buy it, I would rather do that. I'm sitting in a fish house. That's a prime example of that. So anyways, if you watched a while back, I did a video on changing the axe handle on the axe that I found at a lawn sale. But I didn't throw the old axe handle away because you never know. Well, you can use it for 2 things. You can use it to make something else, or you could throw it in a wood stove and burn it up and use it for heat. Well, I opted to stand it in the corner and save it for something that I might be able to use. So you wonder, what the heck could you make from an old busted up axe handle for ice fishing? Well, here it is. Like I said, it looked like somebody had burned it in a fire or something. It probably was setting too close to a campfire, I would imagine. But that doesn't bother me. What I did was I took what I needed. It could have been longer. This thing went out another foot anyways. But what I wanted to do, I want something that when I pull a big pike up into the hole, I don't want to have to pull him out of the hole with the fish line. I want to bring him up to the top of the hole, let him rest there for a minute, and then I want to scoop down under his gills and pull him in by his gills and not with a fish line. So that's where this little tool came up. This is the handle off that old axe. What I did was I took a spike and I cut the head off the spike. At first I tried, what I did was the first time I tried just pounding the spike down into the end of the handle, and that didn't go very good. It split the end of the handle. So I cut off about 4 inches. So then I went and got my drill, and I drilled a hole down into the handle, and then I pounded the spike down into the piece of wood with the head. The head was up here, so I pounded it in probably that much, because this was a size 20 spike. So it's a really big spike. So anyways, got my spike in, then I cut the head off, and then I bent it over first with my regular hammer, and then I took my grinder and just ground a point on the end of that. It's one of those handheld disc cutters there. So I just went around, nothing fancy here. I don't want it to be fancy. I want it to be just a tool for out here. I'm going to leave it in my ice fishing pack basket. I'm just checking my traps. I'm going to leave it in my ice fishing pack basket, and if I get a big fish up to the hole, like I said, I don't want to risk losing him. So this right here is small, light. I drilled a hole in it so I can put a rope in there if I want to. But this will be just an extra tool for out here ice fishing for the big pikes. And hey, if I get a nice big laker, I'll be lake trout fishing here before too long, and we might even be able to use it to get that fish out of the hole. Hello. If you have a calling to help support this channel, then check out my link right above my head, the Patreon channel. And for $5 a month, you can definitely help to push the message of the East Grand Woodsman channel. Everything about the great outdoors here in the state of Maine. And I will see you back in the video. Whatever it takes to not lose a big fish, that's all that matters. Really clouding in. They said rain later today. And let's see, rain later today, and I think rain and wind tomorrow. So I think tomorrow I'm going to take off. I think I'm going to stay right in next to the wood stove and plan my fish nugget supper. I know I mentioned it a couple times in the video here, but tomorrow night, Friday night, we're having a family size get together, and we are having fish nuggets. I have been fishing out. I was hoping to add a couple more fish to the pile tonight. So I can get them home, get them skun out, and get them flayed up. But so far, I've had one flag, but I haven't done anything else. But it's 2 o'clock now. So who knows? 2 to dark. That's usually a pretty good time to fish. So maybe we can add a couple more fish to the fish fry tomorrow night. I was hoping to get a pike, because my son-in-law, when I caught the other one, he asked me if he could have a bite of that last pike. Well, sad to say, I ate the whole thing. So now I'm trying to catch another one so that I can share a little bit of pike with him tomorrow night at the fish fry. But that's fishing. We'll see what happens. Hey, thank you. Country boy will survive. Just another tool for surviving and making my day a little bit easier. So you have a good week, and I will see you in the next video.